Morning everyone. This class is about mechanism of hormone action. Let us go into the class. See, what you are seeing here is the cell, and this is the cell membrane. Okay, what you are seeing here is the receptor, and let me explain how the hormone acts. Okay, I told you hormone is of two types. One is made up of protein and the next one is made up of lipids. Okay, so steroid hormone and proteinaceous hormone. Okay, hormones are of two types. I told one is made up of protein and another one is steroid hormone. Okay, so usually the hormone which is made up of protein, okay, they bind on the receptor which is present on the cell membrane. Okay, so let me explain. This is the blood vessel and this is the endocrine gland. Just imagine this is the thyroid gland. This thyroid gland is secreting the thyroxine. This is directly sent into the bloodstream. So this blood takes away the thyroxine to different parts of the body and it runs throughout the body, but it reacts or it acts only on a specific organ. Okay, which organ want to receive the thyroxine, that organ only receive this thyroxine. Okay, so for example, if this is the thyroxine in the sense, thyroxine hormone is received by this receptor and then it is taken by the receptor to the cytoplasm. Okay, so such a kind of hormone which bind with the receptor which is present on the membrane is called as membrane bound receptor. Okay, so this receptor is called as membrane bound receptor. Okay, and another receptor which is called as intracellular receptor. So all the protein formed hormones are bind with the membrane bound receptor. Okay, this is called as this receptor only which is present on the membrane, whereas the steroid hormones, okay, where they bind in the sense, they bind in the intracellular receptors. Usually where is this receptor present in the sense, it is present inside the nucleus. You can see here the hormone enter through the enter through the cell membrane and is coming to the cytoplasm and then enter through the nuclear membrane, and the active receptors are present in the nucleus. Okay, so here it binds. So these receptors are called as intracellular receptors. Then this will act on the particular DNA and the transcription takes place. So the mRNA is released out into the cytoplasm, then the necessary protein will be synthesized here. Okay, synthesized here in the cytoplasm. So this type of receptors are called as intracellular receptor. So this is the way the hormone reacts with the cells. Okay, and if you see, on the basis of their chemical nature, the hormones are divided into 4 different groups. I told you already, protein hormones and steroid hormones. And apart from the protein and steroid, there is another hormone that is called as iodothyronins. Okay, iodothyronins. Iodothyronins you have to keep. It is a thyroid hormone. And one more is called as amino acid derivatives. Okay, that is example is epinephrine. So how many types of hormones are there? There are 4 different types. One is protein hormones, okay, or peptide hormone or polypeptide hormone. The examples are insulin, glucagon, pituitary hormones and hypothalamic hormones. Steroid hormones are cortisols, testosterone, osteostradiol and progesterone. And iodothyronins or thyroid hormone. Amino acid derivatives are the epinephrine. Okay, so you can see very clearly this is a, what is this called, membrane bound receptor, and these are called as, what is this receptor is called? This receptor is called as intracellular receptor, and they produce a particular type of protein according to the hormone it receives. Okay, so it combines with the, it induces the DNA to transcript the mRNA. That mRNA produces a particular protein which is necessary for the cell. Okay, so all these makes a cumulative biochemical action which results in the physiological as well as different development effects. Okay, that's all about the hormonal, the mechanism of hormone action. Let us recall. On the basis of their chemical nature, hormones can be divided into 4 groups. What are they in the sense? Can you give the answers? Yes, very good, very good. It is protein hormones, steroid, iodothioronins, amino acid derivatives. Very good, very good. Shall we go into the next one? Hormones produced their effects on target tissues by binding to specific proteins, which is called as, yes, hormone receptors. Coming to the third question, receptors present inside the target cells are called as, very good. Yeah, almost all answered. It is intracellular receptors. Coming to the next question, make it fast. Binding of a hormone into its receptors leads to the formation of a hormone receptor complex. So this is also very, very important question. It is hormone receptor complex. Next one. Dash, the outer region of the adrenal glands produce and release glucocorticoids. Which part of the adrenal gland? It is adrenal cortex. Very good, very good. Almost everyone answered. Coming to the next question, it is adrenal glands produce and release dash, which are all types of steroid hormones. Okay, what is that? Make it. Yeah, yes. Glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, and adrenal androgens. Very good. Coming to the next one, the primary catecholamines are dopamine, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. This question is very, very important, so please make a note. Make a note of it. You already noted, but even then we are recollecting from the beginning of the coordination, that is the endocrine as well as endocrine glands. What are the glands, and what are the glands produces the hormones, and the other things are taken into a gist, so make a note. Okay, coming to the next one, the adrenal medulla produces and releases. What are these? Yeah, give the answer. Releases dash catecholamines. Dash and dash catecholamines. Only 2 answered. It is adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline and noradrenaline. Come to the next question. The primary catecholamines are dash, dash, and dash. It is dopamine, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. And dash hormones are known as the fight or flight hormone. This everyone knows. It is adrenaline and noradrenaline. Very good. Almost all answered. Coming to the next one. Dash is a mineralocorticoid hormone. Yeah, very good. It is aldosterone. Coming to the next one. The adrenal cortex can be divided into 3 layers called dash, dash, and dash. Very easiest question, I think. What are those? Yeah, zona reticularis, zona fasciculata, and zona glomerulosa. Very good, very good. Almost all answered. Good. Coming to the next one. Hypothalamus keeps our body balanced in a stable state called. Hypothalamus keeps our body balanced in a stable state called dash. It is homeostasis. Next question, see. Hypothalamus is a basal part of dash. Yeah, very good. Almost all answered. It is diencephalon. Next one come. Hypothalamus contains several groups of neurosecretory cells called dash. It is called as nuclei. Very good. Nearly 15 members answered. Very good, very good. And come to the next one. From the hypothalamus inhibits the release of growth hormone. It is called as dash. From the hypothalamus inhibits the release of growth hormone. Which one? Yeah, only 2 answered. It is somatostatin. Okay. And dash is the feel good hormone. Oh, very good. Everybody answered. Very good, very good. It is dopamine. And next one, next question is dopamine signals the pituitary to stop releasing dash. It is prolactin. Prolactin. Very good. Dash stimulates the pituitary gland to release several reproductive hormones. Make the answer fast. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Gonadotrophin releasing hormone. Next hormone, see, serotonin is a dash. Serotonin is a dash. What is that? Yeah, almost all answered. Chemical messenger. Chemical messenger. Next one, see, this already recently we have seen all these questions. So you can answer very quickly, I think. The Leydig cells are interstitial cells which are present in the dash. Yes, very good, very good, very good. Almost all answered. It is intertubular spaces. It is very easy, isn't it? The Leydig cells or interstitial cells produce a group of hormones called, it is androgens. Androgens also produced by the which gland? Adrenal gland. Okay. So androgen is also produced by testis as well as adrenal gland. Okay, but here the testis produces one mainly testosterone. So keep in mind that one. Testis also produce small amounts of other hormones which are, give the answer quickly. Yes, it is progesterone and oxytocin. Very good. Nearly 12 members answered. Others keep it in your mind and make a note also. Anti-Mullerian hormone secreted by Sertoli cells. Very good, very good. And ovary produces two groups of steroid hormone called dash and dash. This everybody can answer, I think. Yes, very good. It is estrogen and progesterone. After ovulation, the ruptured follicle is converted into a structure called, this you won't forget, I think. Almost everyone answered. It is corpus luteum. And corpus luteum secretes a hormone called, yes, only 10 answered. Don't forget, it is progesterone. It is progesterone. Okay, come to the next one. These follicular cells synthesize two hormones. Follicular cells synthesize two hormones. Which one? This is regarding thyroid. Okay, thyroid follicles. So what are those? It is tetraiodothyronine or thyroxine and triiodothyronine or T3. Okay, dash is the form of hyperthyroidism. Yes, very good, very good. It is exophthalmic goiter. Thyroid gland also secretes a protein called, thyroid gland also secretes a protein hormone which is called as, very good, thyrocalcitonin. TCT means thyrocalcitonin. Next question, see, the parathyroid gland secretes a peptide hormone which is called as parathyroid hormone, PTH. TCT and PTH. Okay. Keep a note. And next one, see, dash hormone, that is PTH, increases the Ca2 plus levels in the blood. What is that? Give the answer. Ca2 plus, this point is very, very important. If it is this, then the hormone is, parathyroid. Parathyroid. Very good, very good. Only 5 answered. Then, dash hormones also supports the process of red blood cells. Red blood cell formation. Dash hormones also support the process. See, this is very, very important question. So keep in mind. Hormones also support the process of red blood cell. Dash hormones also support the process of red blood formation. That is thyroid. Very good, very good. Almost all answered. And there are dash number of parathyroid glands are present in human body. Answer quickly. Yes, almost everyone answered. It is number 4 in number. Next question. Dysfunction of the eyelids can lead to dash. Answer quickly. 2 answered. Yes, 5. Yes, 8 members answered correctly. The answer is pancreatic neuroendocrine tumors. Then, the islets of Langerhans were first described by, yes, very good. Almost everyone answered. It is Paul Langerhans in 1969. Dash is one of the most common forms of pancreatic cancer. It is pancreatic adenocarcinoma. Very good. Almost all answered. And January 11th, 1922, Dash became the first person to receive an insulin injection as a treatment for diabetes. Yes, nearly 15 members have answered. Yeah, 16, 17. Very good. It is 14-year-old Leonard Thompson. Next question is, insulin is a peptide hormone which plays a major role in the regulation of glucose homeostasis. See the next one. Dash leads to a complex disorder called diabetes mellitus. Diabetes mellitus. It is prolonged hyperglycemia. Yeah, only 3 answered. Prolonged hyperglycemia. Okay, keep a note. And the next question is, diabetic patients are successfully treated with dash insulin therapy. Yeah, dash. It is insulin therapy. Very good. Diabetic patients are successfully treated with insulin therapy. Okay, very good. And St. Paul's Montessori Teacher Training Center in Sholinganallur is conducting a workshop for teachers, the freshers as well as experienced teachers, so you can unlock your potential and you can transform your career in a good school with a high salary. So attend this workshop and uphill your potential. Okay. It contains 3 powered packed session. It is of 1.5 hour each session, and the only 600 rupees for it. Lunch will be provided for you. Certificates will be issued at the end of the day. Okay, so register immediately. Very limited seats are available. Thank you so much. Just share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the NEET. Okay, thank you so much.